Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to unbox I'm sorry, I don't know how to say this name, but it is a pencil for an iPad. And so we're going to go into that. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed. I'm with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners and digital stickers for Christian women. Okay. So I tried to do this on my iPad and it didn't work because it's a 2017. You have to have an iPad that is 2018 and further. So that's why it's already opened up. So we're going to do this on my daughter's iPad. So we're going to have a different iPad today to play with. So anyway, here is the box. It has some QR codes for their particular app, doing adjusting signal strength, and here are the iPads that it does work. Again, if you have anything before 2018, it will not work. And here are some of the different features of it. So let's go in and open it up. It comes with a pencil. This is a flat edge right here, and you're supposed to be able to connect it to the iPad with like the newer iPads that you can just magnetize to. This is the power button, so you push it on and it shows you how much power you have. Right here is a little piece that you will take out, and that is where you will charge it, and I'll show you the charger in just a second. So it also comes with an instruction book. So there's the instruction book and your charger. And this I thought was really nice. It comes with 3 tips. And so you have the 2 of the white ones, that are on there. And then this is more of a precision tip. So that's nice that they give you those. And again, just like an Apple Pencil, you just twist it off and you can twist it back on. So you'll want to go over to your settings and make sure you connect it. I just connected it to my daughter's because I was trying to figure out why it would not work with mine. So as soon as it's connected, it works right away. She still is on GoodNotes 5. And so, you'll come up to your top and tap where in pencil. It writes very nicely, very fluidly. Let's see, maybe I'll just do it darker so you can see it's easily draws. It connects very quickly, to the, so your hyperlinks work very easily. There is also an app. I did not download that, where you can change and have current settings set to this. So if you want it to, do some of these, that is the point. Let me show you those too. Let's go back to just this page. So your palm is on it and it still writes. You can write, it's got very good adjustability with whatever you write with. But I may do another video showing you how to, let's just comb in here. I'll pull up my iPad because I was trying to figure this out. And so there is the note. Again, I don't know how to say that last name, or that name, but you will use that app. The first thing it's going to pop up is asking if you want to use Bluetooth, so you say yes, and then you can come in here and Bluetooth it. And because it's not connected to this iPad, I can't show you, but all in here is all the different settings that you can set up, where you can go in and choose what this button does. Like if you single press it, you can take a photo. You can go back to the home. You can shut down if it's a long press, or you can do, so I guess it's on both sides of it. So I guess if you hit that side, it does one thing, and hit that side, it does another thing. You can do single press. Oh, these aren't set up, but you can do different things with it. Which is nice if you like that aspect. I guess so used to just being able to come up here and do whatever I want through it. So you can still, do your picture screen if you slide from the corner. So it's very, very, very functional for an iPad pencil, and very cheap. Very Very nice. So I will leave the link for this down below, and you can check it out for yourself. But I do want to say I was sent this pencil from the owners, but I really like it. It's really nice. It's a very nice, affordable pencil, Apple pen, or a version of an Apple pencil, I guess you could say. So yeah, check it out. Really writes well. Really nice. Oops, I hit the wrong one. We want. Let's clear out of that. Let's see. There's the text feature. Let's zoom in and see how well it writes too. I didn't type right there. Yeah, very nice. It reads it clearly. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. So let me know if you're going to try this out. Again, I don't know how to say this brand, but that is the pencil. So I hope you have a wonderfully blessed day. Leave a comment below and let us know if you're going to try this pencil out. And I will see you in the very next video. Bye-bye for now.